All right. Good evening, Miss Maya.
In
Welcome back to my class.
yeah,
How are you today, Miss Maya?
I'm fine, thank you. And how
Great.
are you?
Well, I've been doing great.
Okay,
Yeah, I've
you
been doing
changed
great.
your hair, yeah?
Oh, yes. You know this. Yeah. Yeah, I cut my hair recently, Miss Maya. Where are you now? Are you in Gorontalo or Jakarta, Miss Maya?
I'm in Gorontalo.
Oh, okay then. So, last time we met, it was last year in December,
Mm-hmm.
right? It was in December. And then I just want to ask this question. So you're taking another class with me, right? Uh-huh.
Yes.
Before our class right now, did you take another class? I mean in the
No,
Bridge
no,
Education. Oh, no. Oh,
no,
okay
no.
then. I see. Okay. So after that December class, the one that we had last year, so you
Yes.
just have another class today then.
Yeah,
I see. Okay. Because as I remembered, you you wanted to take a class in February, right?
February,
Yes, in
yes.
February. Okay. And I guess it got postponed, right? It got postponed, delayed.
Mm.
It got
Mm.
delayed to this month, May.
Yeah.
Okay then. It means well, like I just said before, Miss Maya, welcome back to Bridge Education. And it turns out that I'll be teaching you again. Okay, you will not. If you remember last time, I said that maybe you will be with another teacher. I said that, right? You would be with another teacher, but since well, you take the class this month. I'm available this month, so well,
Oh,
yeah, I teach you again because if you took the class in February, another teacher would teach you
oh,
because I wasn't available in February. Yeah.
okay.
Okay,
I'm
well,
waiting
mhm.
EduBridge to call me, but they not call me until
I
yeah,
see.
yeah, until last month when I confirm my son IELTS, and then I
Ah,
say I want to continue my class.
I see. Okay. Mm-hmm. Oh, so your son um has done his IELTS?
Yes, has done, but the result is not good.
Okay.
I don't know what happened with
With
her
him.
with him.
Okay. Well, he's going abroad, right, Miss Maya?
Not ready.
Oh,
Not
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 ready.
not yeah, not ready.
But
Maybe in
planning to. Oh,
September.
I see. Okay. Well, good luck with everything, especially with the IELTS test, right? I guess if your son didn't get a good score, then he had to retake, I believe, right? He
Yeah.
should retake it. Oh, okay. Well, before we start, our admin has sent us something in group. I
Mm-hmm.
will share my screen with you, Miss Maya. Here it is. So this is the student calendar.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, student calendar. If you see here, we start the class today, 15th of May. Well, today
Mm-hmm.
is a public holiday actually, right?
Yeah.
For Ascension, right?
Yeah.
14 and 15. Yeah, but we can start today basically. 15, we'll meet again on 18. Okay, Monday. And if you see the schedule here, we'll have holiday on Wednesday, the 27th. I believe this one is Idul Adha.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, and then the 1st of June, I believe this one is Pancasila Day
Oh, Pancasila Day?
until, yeah, 1st of June. It's a public holiday,
Oh.
Pancasila Day. So we'll have two holidays in the next 2 weeks. I mean, in two
Mm-hmm.
weeks' time, yeah. Wednesday and Monday. And we will have progress test one here on Friday, 5th of June. Another progress test will be here, Final test will be on the 15th, okay, on Wednesday, Miss Maya. So we'll finish the class in July, okay? So this the
Okay.
class is a 2 month long class. So you'll be with me for 2 months, just like last year, I think. Oh no, no. Last year, 3 months. It was 3 months, I believe, because only twice a week, right? This time though, we'll have the class 3 times a week. But I'd like to confirm something with you, Miss Maya.
Mm-hmm.
If you see here on the 12th, Friday, I won't
Mm-hmm.
be able to attend the class on
Oh,
the 12th because I have something to attend and it's very important, okay, related with my work. So on the 12th, I will not be able to come. Um,
yang bukakan pintu yang
maybe we
sorry sorry.
can postpone. Okay. So
Yes.
just postpone everything. We can just put meeting 11 on 15. So instead of, let's take a look here. Instead of finishing the class here, maybe we can finish the class here on the 17th of July instead, right? So no meetings lost. Okay. Don't worry.
Mm-hmm.
You will still have 25 meetings, but
Yes.
I cannot attend the class on Friday. So no,
Mm.
it's not canceled, just postponed, right? So meeting is 11, let's do on 15, meeting 12 on 17, meeting 13 on 19, and so on and so forth.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. It's
So
okay.
one postponed meeting every, yeah.
I
Unless you want,
mm-mm. Like
unless you want to reschedule, it's also fine. Maybe we can reschedule maybe on the 18th, maybe on the 23rd, on the 25th. I'm fine with that. If you
yeah,
still want to
maybe
catch up.
in June
Mhm.
I have a schedule with graduation with my son.
I see, yeah.
5
When
June.
when is it? 5? Okay.
Yeah, I can.
Okay, so this one, the fifth, you cannot attend.
Yes, 5.
I see. Fifth, you
Um,
cannot. 12th,
yes,
I
cannot.
can.
Okay.
So fifth, you can. 12th, I
Yes.
can. Okay. Hmm. It's fine. Since
And
we have
maybe
mhm,
In June,
in June. Yeah.
from 5 until 19,
Yes.
uh, I in I won't go to abroad to KL.
Oh, you will go to Malaysia
Yes,
from
so
5th to 19th. Okay. So,
yes, maybe but I'm scared with the schedule uh
hmm.
in 8 8 p.m.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
I can I
Okay.
can already in the hotel. So
Oh, I see. Okay.
but
From what? 5? From the
5
5th of June
until
until
19.
okay, 2 weeks then.
2 weeks, yes.
Oh, I see. Okay.
But
So
when I can already in hotel, maybe I can,
join. Just
yeah, I
like
can join
last
or
year.
1 hour before. I
I see.
can
Oh, 1 hour before. It's fine. Yeah. So at
it's
6,
okay?
right? It's okay.
Yes.
It's fine. Yes, yes.
Okay,
At
okay.
6. I can at 6.
Okay, but the 5 June, 5 of June, I can,
Okay. 5, you cannot.
you
12,
can,
I
I
can.
cannot.
Mm-hmm. 5, you can't.
I
12,
can.
I can't.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Mm, we don't have to reschedule, Miss Maya, because
Yes.
we only canceled 2 classes, right? So we can just still go with it.
Okay,
Remember
okay.
that you have 2 grace period, okay? Two
Mm.
grace period. It means you can postpone 2 meetings.
Mm.
You can postpone 2 meetings. But if you cancel another class, if you cancel for the third time, ya, kalau sudah di-cancel 3 kali,
Mm-mm.
we have to reschedule. Tapi kalau
Oh,
masih
okay.
2 kali, it's still fine. Masih nggak apa-apa. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Unless you want to reschedule, I'm okay with Saturday if you want.
Mm.
Ya, kalau hari Sabtu mau diganti, it's okay.
Mm.
Misalnya, we have 13, we have the 20th, the 27th. If you
Mm.
can, attend the class on Saturday, Saturday morning, Saturday afternoon, I can't. Bisa.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah, just tell me, Miss Maya.
Okay, okay.
Okay, that's for June. That's still next month. Okay, don't worry about
Yes.
it. It's still May, right?
Yeah.
May. Okay. So that is all I think for the schedule. Now, Miss Maya, before we start the class, I want you to join our Google Classroom, just like last time. Yeah. Let me invite you. Let
Yeah.
me invite you over to our Google Classroom. Um, would you please click on this link on the chat there, in the Zoom chat. There. Just click and you will have access to my Google Classroom.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, I
Okay.
see you. I see you here, Maya Mato, right? And Rasa Seafood. Oh,
I think it's a
that's your restaurant's email, I think.
yes.
Yeah, okay. So, Miss Maya, now would you please go back to your Zoom application
Okay.
so you can see my screen? Okay, good. So again, I'd like to welcome you. I would like to formally welcome you to your B1 class. Okay. So last year, when we last met, right? The last time we met each other, you were in A2 level. A2 level.
Okay.
A2 means beginner, right? Now
Mhm.
you are advancing to B1. B1 is what level? Can you guess?
I don't know.
What comes after beginner? Setelah beginner itu apa?
uh, in
Beginner
beginner,
beginner itu pemula, right? In bahasa Indonesia.
interm,
Intermediate, very good, yes.
intermediate,
Intermediate,
mediate,
menengah. Intermediate,
mediate.
menengah. So you're officially an intermediate English user, okay? B1. Based on your, well, test results last time and your feedback. I believe you got your feedback. Hopefully you got your feedback and your report. Okay. So this one is B1. So in a B1, in the B1 class, you have to be ready with more difficult materials ya. Yang pasti materinya lebih susah. Satu.
Ba-
And then
Tapi
uh,
sebelumnya saya bilang mau belajar dulu benar-benar lagi yang
yeah, it's
present
fine.
continue.
We can. Still
Ah,
intermediate masih menengah, not
oh, oke.
advanced, right? Ya,
Oh,
jadi
oke, oke.
masih kita apa namanya? Review-review lagi yang dari sebelumnya, yang dari level
Hmm.
A2. Tapi ini agak sedikit lebih advance, terutama di
Oh, oke.
kosakata dan pembahasannya, topik-topiknya. So,
Oke.
meaning in B1 I will use less bahasa Indonesia, Miss Maya. Okay? I will use more English and less bahasa Indonesia. And grammar, untuk grammarnya nanti kita beberapa kali akan mereview lagi ya, yang dari A2, yang dasar-dasar. And then for B1, we'll have more speaking, and then we'll also have more listening practice. Okay? Because if you're a B1, we hope that you can communicate well. Not only grammar, but also communication. Right, Miss Maya? Jadi
Ya.
bisa ngobrol juga. Bahasa Inggrisnya tidak hanya bisa grammar saja, tapi juga bisa aktif communication. So we'll focus more on communication and listening. Tapi juga grammar.
Hmm.
If you want me to teach you grammar, then I can teach you grammar. So sorry, a plane is passing through my house. Okay.
Hmm.
All right, then that would be that. Let me go here, Miss Maya, classwork. So we'll be using this Google Classroom ya, just like last time, kayak sebelumnya ya. Kita
Ya.
tetap pakai Google Classroom. General information you can see here. Ada materials. Nah, materials ini buku. ebook free for you, right? Bisa di-download Miss Maya ya, karena kalau dibuka di sini nggak bisa, terlalu besar
Mhm.
filenya. Jadi you can just download if you want to. Ada silabus. Let's take a look at the syllabus. Syllabus itu kayak semacam kurikulumnya ya. So,
Hmm.
if you take a look at the topics here, we will be talking about a range of different topics. Topik-topik yang berbeda. Pertemuan pertama ini kita topiknya communication. Pertemuan kedua
Okay.
communication. Nanti kita ngomongin tentang holiday and traveling. I guess you love traveling, right? Yes, traveling. Again, meeting four, traveling. Meeting five, we'll be talking about social media. You like social media?
Yes.
Of course, you like social media. And then we'll also talk about social media in the next meeting. One meeting before our review, we'll be talking about dealing with failures. We'll be talking about travel and tourism again, money management, how to manage your money, stress
Hmm.
and simple living before review number two. What will you do? This one about, well, things that you want to do in the future.
Hmm.
Decision making, review number three, and then final test. For the grammar, untuk poin-poin grammar yang akan kita pelajari, kita akan mempelajari, mungkin Miss Maya masih ingat dari pertemuan kita di kelas yang sebelumnya ya, comparison, more and most. Still remember that? Paling tinggi, lebih
A
tinggi.
little.
Ah, kayak contohnya, I am taller than you, lebih
Hmm.
tinggi. Atau my son is the tallest in my family. Ya, ini ada bedanya kan ya. Kalau taller itu apa? Masih ingat nggak? Harusnya masih ingat.
Tinggi. Paling tinggi.
Oh, tallest itu paling tinggi.
Tallest ya.
What about
Oh,
taller?
lebih tinggi.
Lebih tinggi, very good. If we say taller, then we need to compare between two things, right? Ada dua hal yang di-compare. I sama you. Atau my
Hmm.
son and my husband, for example. Tapi kalau sudah yang paling tinggi, there is no
Hmm.
comparison anymore, right? So my son is the tallest in my family. No need to compare with anyone because he is the
Hmm.
tallest. Dia yang paling tinggi, jadi nggak perlu di compare lagi. Gitu ya.
Mhm.
Itu grammar pertama yang akan kita pelajari. Masih sama kayak yang sebelumnya ya, Miss Maya ya.
Ya.
Heeh. Ada beberapa yang baru juga nanti. Contohnya kayak again a plane. Sorry kalau dengar ya Miss Maya karena my house is very near to the airport. So
Oh
yeah,
ya.
you will listen to some plane noises. Ini yang kedua, agree and disagree expression, mengekspresikan setuju dan tidak setuju ya, agreement disagreement. Bukan grammar sebenarnya itu lebih ke speaking ya.
Mhm.
Untuk grammar lagi, untuk vocabulary jelas setiap pertemuan akan ada vocabulary baru ya yang akan dipelajari Miss Maya ya. Ada
Hmm.
lagi ini mengekspresikan should and shouldn't. Uh, I should save more money. Apa ya intinya itu seperti uh,
Menyimpan,
suggestion
menabung.
ya, menabung ya, saya harus menabung. I should save more money. You should save some money, Miss Maya, for example, or you said to me, you should save some money, Diaz, if you want to be rich, for example.
Hmm.
Jadi memberikan suggestion atau saran ya, itu nanti kita pelajari di sini. Ada lagi uh, kalimat pengandaian, perandaian. If Miss Maya,
Hmm.
if you have a ticket, or no, no, not ticket. If you can choose any destination that you can visit, what country will you visit right now?
Hmm.
I'm asking you.
Oh,
If you can choose any country, what will you visit? Like right
I
now.
will visit Europe again.
You will visit Europe, some European countries, if you can
Yes.
choose, right? Oke. Nah, itu kita akan pelajari nanti ya di apa? Agak-agak terakhir karena agak susah.
Hmm.
Kalimat perandaian,
Oh.
mengandai-andai, berandai-andai tentang sesuatu. If you if I can if I can drive a plane, for example, or if I can drive a car, I will blah blah blah. Saya akan melakukan ini kalau saya bisa ini.
Hmm.
Itu nanti ya, grammar-grammar yang advance nanti. Kalau yang sekarang kita agak review yang dari A2 dulu ya. Present
Iya.
tense, apa?
Future
Comparison, past
comparison
tense ya. Kalau
past
future
tense.
nanti masih kita taruh di sini. Oke?
Oh, okay.
Yes. Okay, so that is the contract, the syllabus. Any questions? Nggak ada
No.
ya? Oke. So let's just do the class now. I will open my ebook. Saya buka ebooknya dulu bentar. Oops. Freelance files. This one. Oke, ini ebooknya ya. You can download this for free, Miss Maya. So just go to your Google Classroom and find this on the in the materials stream, I think. You can just click there and download this. Because if you try to open it online, it will not open. The file
Mhm.
is just too big. Yeah, the size is very big. So you have to download. Ya, harus di-download karena filenya ini 100 mega. Agak
This
besar
is
ya.
audio.
No, this is not audio. This
Well,
is a book. Ya. Audio ada sendiri. Oh ya, I forgot to mention about the audio. Nah, let me open
oh,
Google Classroom again.
materials.
Yes, materials. Ada di materials itu
Okay.
ada e-booknya. Kalau yang listening audio, in some meetings we will have listening activities. Ya, akan ada aktivitas mendengarkan. Nah, untuk audio-audio dari aktivitas mendengarkan itu saya akan upload di sini, listening audionya. Jadi mungkin
Hmm.
if you want to play it again, or if you want to practice again, you can. Seperti itu, Mas Maya. Oke? So for meeting one ada satu listening activity ya. Jadi saya sudah taruh audionya di situ. Oke, kita mulai saja langsung ya. Let's start. So since we're starting, then I will not use bahasa Indonesia. Okay? I will just use
Yes.
English from now on. Now let's talk about communication. Now are you back on Zoom now, Miss Maya? Yes.
Yes.
Good. Okay, now let's start. Let's have some conversation, okay? Communication. So there are three goals that you have to achieve in this meeting. First one, students will be able to share forms of communication they know. You would be able to give their comments towards given topic discussions about communication. And last one, you would have development on vocabulary. We'll be learning some new vocabulary. Okay.
Hmm.
Now let's move to activity one. Let's talk, Miss Maya. What comes to your mind when you hear the word communication?
Communication.
Yeah.
Uh,
What do you
with
think about it?
communication with someone.
Yes, communication with someone.
Yes.
Okay.
To
What?
know each other.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe that's it. We can know. We can apa ya, bisa kenalan dengan orang apa? We
Okay,
can
we can get to
we
know
can
with
yeah,
we can get to know with one
get to
another,
know
right? Yeah, like
another.
me and you,
Yeah,
at first we didn't know each other, but because of communication, now we know each other, right?
yeah.
We can know. We can know. Kita bisa. Coba kayak gini Miss Maya bilangnya. Jangan we can know. We are able to know.
Oh,
Mm-mm.
we
We are able to know.
we
We are
are
able to
able
know it.
to know.
Kita
We
bisa.
are
Ya.
able to know.
Mm-mm. Kita bisa tahu. We can't know. No, itu salah. We are able to know.
We
Itu yang
are
benar.
able to know.
Yes.
We
Now would you
are
please repeat
able.
again? We are able to know each other.
We are able to know each other
Okay, because of?
because of communication.
Very good. Yeah. We are able to know, yeah?
We are
All
able
right.
to know.
Now, number two. Nowadays, we have social media, right? We have mobile phones, laptop, right? You can name it. Now, can you name different ways people communicate today? How people communicate nowadays, Miss Maya?
with phone,
Phone, all
with
right.
Google Meets,
Okay, like us, Zoom.
yeah,
What else? What
Zoom,
else? Hmm.
with maybe
Meeting, yeah, okay. Oh,
meeting,
face-to-face meeting, you
face
mean?
to face, yes.
I see, yeah, face-to-face meeting. But which one is better? Face-to-face meeting or online meeting?
I think it's depends.
Depends. It depends. Okay.
Yes,
Depends on
depends.
what? Depends on what?
Depends on when we talk about the business, maybe the apa tadi? Maybe the meet face to face.
Okay, when if we
But
want to talk about important business,
yes, yes,
it is better if we can meet
better,
face to face.
better
Okay.
face to face.
All right. What about online then?
Online maybe like this.
Mm-hmm.
We can check your time
I see. Yeah, yeah.
when we when we busy.
Yes,
We
agree.
can meet
Mhm. So
face
that
to face. We can use the Google Meets
I
to
see.
list a course.
Yeah. When you're busy, you cannot go to an offline course, right? You can just have
Go
online
offline.
classes
Yeah.
like this, right? Yes, I agree with you. So
Yes.
it helps us, especially when we're busy. We can have online communication.
Yes. Yes.
I see. Okay.
Very, very help.
Very helpful. Yeah, I agree. Okay, now what about you? Which form of communication do you use the most and why?
Sorry. What's the meaning of
The most.
the question? Sorry.
Okay, which form of communication do you use the most? It means, do you
Form.
use phone all the time? Like most of the time you communicate with phone, most of the time you communicate with your laptop or maybe on social media, or probably most of the time you talk
I think
face to face.
for
Mm.
now I maybe 50-50 for phone and meets
I see.
by
50-50.
laptop or yes.
50% online, 50% offline then. Offline meeting.
Oh no no no.
No.
I mean I use the phone or
Uh-huh.
meeting. I think
Mm.
the maybe for now meeting by online.
Online meeting. Okay, I
Yes,
see.
online meeting.
Okay. Okay, now what about this one? The fourth one. Do you prefer speaking, writing, or using gestures to communicate? You know gestures, right? Body
Yes.
language.
Oh yeah,
Gest
body language.
gestures, yeah. Gestur in bahasa
Yeah,
Indonesia.
gesture. I
Okay,
think the speaking.
oh, you prefer to speak. Okay. Why do you prefer speaking?
Sometimes when we writing is ah
It's hard.
tired. Yeah, tired to
Okay,
write
yeah.
something and then uh maybe we just type the important
Mm.
but when we speaking we can we can apa ya menjelaskan
You can explain.
we can
Menjelaskan.
explain detail by detail.
I see. Okay, speaking. So you're more of a talkative person, I think, or communicative person, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, because you prefer speaking. Okay. Last one. Your opinion now. Do you think modern communication is better than traditional communication? Can you
I
think about
think
modern? Yeah, like this one online, right?
yeah, I think it's
Mm.
modern better.
Better. Okay, what makes it
We
better,
can
Miss Maya?
save time
I
so
see now.
much.
Number one, we can save time. I see.
Yeah.
I agree with that. Okay. Another one, maybe another reason. Why it's better than traditional?
Um, we can apa ya? We can communication with other um walaupun apa ya?
Even though. Walaupun.
Even though they so far,
Oh yeah, even though they
they
live
live
so far away from
so far
you,
away.
you
Yes,
can still speak, you can still talk with them,
yes, we
right?
can communication with them.
And save time, right? Number
Yes,
two,
save time.
you
Yes.
mentioned that we can save time by having online communication. I agree with that. Okay, then that would be number one then now, Miss Maya. Now, let's talk, let's move on to number two, activity two here, vocabulary, okay? So, do you see now five sentences here?
Yes.
What's number one? Introvert. Number two, extrovert. Number three, we have talkative, right? Number four, communicative,
Communicative.
inattentive. Okay, that's how you pronounce it. Let's pronounce it together with me. Number one, introvert.
Introvert.
Very good. Introvert. Yeah. Number two,
Introvert.
extrovert.
Extrovert.
Extrovert. Yeah. Number
Extrovert.
number three, talkative.
Talk. Talk.
Talkative.
Talk. Talkative.
Mm.
Talkative.
All right, Miss
Talkative.
Maya. If you have the word talk, right?
Uh-huh.
Talk, right?
Yes.
Do not pronounce the L.
Oh, talk.
So you
Talk.
just say talk.
Talk.
Yes.
Talkative.
Talkative. Very good. Not
Talk.
talkative, okay? Talkative.
Oh,
Do not
talkative.
pronounce the L. L is
Hmm.
gone, okay?
Yes.
Talkative. Good.
Talkative.
Talkative. Number four, communicative.
Communicative.
Very good. Number five,
Wow.
inattentive.
Inattentive.
Very good. Now, can you please match these words, introvert, extrovert, talkative, communicative, inattentive, 1 to 5, with the correct definition here underneath the numbers. Okay. You have one example sentence, right, to describe introvert, for example, and then match it with the definition. Maybe we can start by looking for the definition of introvert. Can you
Mm-hmm.
find it? Okay. Which one is the definition of introvert?
I think it is someone who is shy, quiet, and prefer to spend time alone
Oh,
rather than often being with other people.
right. So an introvert is number two. Someone who is shy,
Shy,
quiet,
quiet,
uh,
quiet,
quiet, and
quiet,
mm-mm, and prefers
prefers
to spend time alone
prefers to spend time
because
alone.
they are introvert. They prefer to spend their time alone. Are you an introvert or an
No,
extrovert?
no, no.
Oh, you're an extrovert.
Yes.
Oh, okay. You're outgoing then.
Yes, I think
I see.
so.
Yeah. Very outgoing, I see. Okay. If you could guess what I am, what am I? Am I an introvert or an extrovert?
I think introvert.
How could you tell?
Huh?
How could you tell if I'm an introvert?
um, because you really love to you really like to read book.
Oh, wow, you still remember that I like reading. That's
Yes,
very
you
nice.
like reading book. I think the one of the ciri-ciri apa ya? One of
Traits,
the huh?
traits, traits.
Yeah,
TRAITS.
one of
Traits.
the introvert traits.
Mm.
It's
Reading.
reading.
I see. Yeah, yeah. Okay, good. Yeah,
It's
I'm
a
an
good.
introvert, I think.
It's correct.
It's correct. Yeah, I'm an introvert. Yes.
Hmm.
Well, I can be extrovert, especially when I'm in the office, with my friends.
Yeah, yeah,
Or if
yeah.
I'm teaching like right now, of course I have
Mm-hmm.
to be introvert, right? But
Introvert,
I
extrovert.
I actually prefer to be alone. But it doesn't mean that I don't like having friends. I have so many friends. But yeah,
Hmm.
I'm just an introvert. I guess I'm
Yeah.
a bit outgoing, but I'm a more of an introvert person. Okay, now what
Hmm.
about number two? Extrovert.
Extrovert.
Extrovert, yeah. Number
Willing to talk, to talk, to talk, to
willing to
talk,
talk, talk.
to pe willing to talk
Mm-hmm. Oh, is
to
it number
people
three?
and give. Yeah, number
Mm.
three.
Try to look for the other numbers. See the other numbers. What
Okay,
about
wait.
1, 4, 5? Yeah, just read one by one. I guess it's not number three.
Extroverts. An energetic person who enjoy being. Oh, I think it's five.
Yes, exactly. Energetic person who enjoys being with other people. So,
Yes.
an extrovert person, they have so many friends. They enjoy
Anxious.
being with their friends. Outgoing. I mentioned that extrovert people are outgoing, right? So
Yeah.
it's number five. They have so many friends. Okay. While introvert, they spend time indoors most of the time. Number
Mm-hmm.
three, talkative. What's talkative, Miss Maya?
Talking a lot.
Yes, exactly. Talking a lot. Talkative person. Uh, talkative people are those who really love to talk, right? Talking a lot.
Yes.
That's
I
talkative.
think sometimes
Mm-hmm.
I say with I I I can be the talkative.
Oh, I see. So you can be quiet sometimes, or you can be talkative at times. Okay. Now
Yeah.
that's number three. What about number four? Communicative
Oh, I think it's number three, willing to talk
to
to
people.
people and give
Give
them
them
information.
nice one. Yes, that's number three.
Three.
Communicative. uh People like teachers,
Yes.
doctors, right? Doctors, teachers, people who give information, basically they need to be communicative. They don't have
Mm.
to like to talk, right? Maybe they're silent, like most doctors that I know are introverts, but they have to be communicative, right?
Yes.
They have to they have to be well spoken, I should say.
Mm.
Maybe they
Mm.
don't like talking, but they have to be communicative. That is
Ah,
communicative, right? A bit different from talkative.
from
Talkative, they like
uh-huh.
to talk. Communicative, maybe they don't like talking, but they're good at, you know, uh, explaining something, giving information.
Explaining. Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, yeah. Explaining.
that is communicative, right?
Yes.
It means last one, inattentive is
One.
number one. Yes, inattentive, acuh ya in bahasa Indonesia, I guess.
Oh,
Tidak
acuh
apa?
ini
Tidak tidak
peduli
peduli,
dengan.
betul ya, tidak peduli or bersikap acuh, ya, tidak peduli dengan penjelasan seseorang, inattentive.
Mm.
Kata dasarnya attention, ya kan? Attention is
Attention
to
and
give attention is, well, you
and
give your all your attention to that information.
inattentive. Oh,
Oke, dia ada 5 vocabulary baru yang kita pelajari, 5 new vocabularies. Oke, now. Okay, maybe we can have a bit of a reading here, Miss Maya.
mm-hmm.
Yeah. Communication and personality. Reading and speaking. Read and share the information you get using your own words. Nah, ini
Mm.
ada communication and personality. Maybe you can read the text first, yeah. You can read
Mm-hmm.
everything here, and then after that you can tell me or you can share with me what you learned from this reading, okay?
Mm. Yeah.
uh, I'll give you like around 5 minutes. I hope it's enough. Okay.
Oh, loud. Speak.
read
Loud.
read loud. No, no, no. Read by
Just
yourself.
only read
Read by
by.
yourself,
Okay.
and you can share with me some
Oh.
information that you got from this reading text.
Hmm.
Okay. So, what kind of information that you could learn from this text, Miss Maya?
Can
Yes.
uh, I can learn about how to communication
I see.
can uh, how to communication is skill that
Mm-hmm.
everyone can benefit from ya. Terus
Can
gitu
benefit
kan.
from, yes, mengambil
Yes.
keuntungan dari,
And
can
how
benefit from.
important communication is
Hmm.
in or apa ya?
How important communication is for.
How important communication?
Yeah, it's very important, right? Okay.
Yes.
What about digital communication? You learn anything about digital communication from this text?
Yes.
Mhm.
Digital communication can help um for the introvert or
I see.
extrovert.
Can help
Uh,
both, okay,
yes.
introverts and extroverts, and then
And then can create new ways for people to express themselves.
yes, I agree
This
with that.
means about the time, maybe, yeah, I say you before or
The same like that, right? Time. You
time.
can
We
save
can,
time, right? You can
yes,
we can communicate with each other even though we are miles away from each other, right? We're miles apart. You know what that means, right? Miles apart, it
yes,
means very far from each other. I'm here, you're there, but we can still
mm-hmm.
speak. We can still talk.
Yes,
Yes, and also with our different personalities,
yeah,
both extroverts, introverts, they can benefit from digital
digital
communication.
communicate.
So
Yes,
communication is actually very important, right, Miss Maya?
yes, yes,
It's very important, both um, you know, online communication and traditional communication. Yeah.
yeah,
Yes. Okay. That's for communication then. I guess we can just skip this since we have discussed so many things about communication. Let's do the listening instead, Miss Maya. Okay? We can do
yeah,
listening. There are 7 numbers here. Millennials
mm-hmm.
like connecting with people. I want you to tick. You know what tick means? Centang. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
To tick the things he mentions. So there are 7 numbers, and not everything will be talked about by the speaker. Only some will be mentioned by the speaker. Got it?
Got it.
And yes, and when you hear them, you tick them. If you do not hear them, then do not tick them. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. So tick which ones, yeah, because there is more than one, which ones are being talked about by the speaker in the audio that I will play for you. Okay?
Mm.
After
Okay.
this, let's have some grammar review. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. Now let me play the audio. I need to share my audio. Wait. Uh, audio. Which one's my audio? Oh, here it is. Share sound. Okay. Here it is, Miss Maya. Please pay attention
Okay.
and pick the correct sentences.
Track 1.7.
4 generations, and they all prefer communicating in different ways. There are sure to be misunderstandings and other problems, right? Well, there don't have to be. Okay, so I'm a millennial. I was born in 1990, and so being able to connect with people is really important to me. I'm constantly trying to learn, grow, and change. And for me, fast on-screen communication is the best way to do this. I love the way that the internet puts you in touch with all kinds of people you wouldn't meet in everyday life. Generation X, on the other hand, uses communication to build relationships and develop ideas. This sounds pretty good, but they express their feelings and opinions directly and aren't afraid to say or write how they feel. My boss is Generation X, and she definitely has an opinion on everything. And of course, at home, I spend time with baby boomers and veterans. My dad is a typical baby boomer. They have a lot in common with Generation X. They can be quite direct about what they think. I don't always agree with his opinions, but I do appreciate his honesty, usually. And baby boomers definitely prefer face-to-face communication. My dad's really not very good with emails, social networking, or anything like that. My grandparents are in the generation called veterans. For them, communication is something that keeps people together and traditions alive. Both veterans and baby boomers take time to talk things over that matter to their job or family, but are not that interested in chatting about personal goals and development. Understanding these different communication styles is really important for improving our relationships, both at work and at home. So, for example, one really big difference between us millennials and the other three generations is that we expect people to tell us, gently, how we're doing. So, I used to get a bit annoyed with my boss for not giving me enough feedback about how things are going at work. But then I realized that other generations don't necessarily notice this difference. So I learnt not to be upset if older people didn't praise me all the time. And I also learnt to ask for help if I needed it. Similarly, some of us millennials find it difficult when people criticize us or disagree with us. Generation X and baby boomers will tell you clearly if they don't like something. Don't take it personally, although that's often easier said than done. On a practical level, it can help to use different communication styles with different generations. Pick up the phone, write emails, and make time for face-to-face conversation. When you do, pay attention to your writing style. You might think an informal style is friendly, but to an older person, it can seem rude. Finally, understand that communication differences across generations do exist. So talk about them with people of all ages. This can open the door to other conversations. You can learn a lot by hearing older people's experiences, and in turn, you might be able to teach them about life in the modern world.
Okay, so which numbers are they talking about? Was he talking about? Let's discuss one by one, Miss Maya. What about number one? Did he mention that? Millennials
No,
like connecting with people online?
no,
Okay. What about number two?
no,
Millennials and veterans usually hate each other? No, they don't talk
no.
about that, right? He didn't talk about that. What about number three? Gen X and baby boomers are similar because they both express how they feel.
I think yes.
Very good. Okay. Number three. Number four, men and women have different ways of communicating.
No.
Yeah, they don't talk about that. We don't talk about
Yes.
genders, right? Very good. Number five, we shouldn't get upset because other generations don't do what we expect.
Yes.
Yeah, he talked about that. Number
Mm.
six, it's important to use correct spelling when writing an email or text.
No.
We don't talk about that either.
No.
Seven, different generations.
Yes.
Yeah, this is basically the conclusion, right? The
Yes.
conclusion of the talk. Yes. So number seven, number five, number three, right?
Yes.
Yes. And yeah, those are the answers. Very good. So I don't think, like I said before, you understand English, Miss
Yes.
Maya, right? You understand. You can understand English. That's very good. Maybe your problem is with
Speaking.
grammar, right? Speaking, producing, not understanding, but producing English.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
So
All
we
right.
still have like some time. We still have 30 minutes, Miss Maya. Let's do some grammar practice, okay?
Okay.
I will prepare some, some questions. Maybe if you need to go to the bathroom, you need to use the toilet, you can. Let's have a toilet break for a while.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, good. Wait, I'm still preparing
Okay.
some stuff. Yes. Uh,
Track 1.7.
I'm constantly trying to learn, grow.
okay. All right, let's try this one, Miss Maya. Wait, let me share my screen. Okay, let's start with something simple first. Okay, this is about question. Okay, how to ask question in the present tense. Right. So, which one is the correct answer to this? Where blah blah blah. You're on mute by the way, Miss Maya. You can unmute yourself first. A, B, C, or D?
Where does he live?
A or D?
Huh?
This one, does he live or does he lives?
Does he live?
Very good. So A.
Yes.
Okay, let's check. Very good. Correct. Number 2.
Uh, Does he work?
Very good.
A.
Yeah, you still remember our lessons. Nice. Move on to the next one. Now the subject is they. Which one is the correct one?
Do they works?
Do they works or do they work without
W-
S?
with S.
With S. That's wrong.
Ah.
Do they work?
Oh,
Okay.
do they work?
Yes, without S. Because it's a verb kata kerja ya, jadi nggak pakai S.
Itu baru mengerti. What?
This one.
What?
Which one? What? The subject is they again.
What? What
What?
they do?
What do they do? Bener ya? Oke.
What do they do?
What do they do? Nah, ada perbedaannya, Miss Maya. Ada pertanyaan yang kayak gini. What are they doing? Ada yang
Mhm.
kayak gini. What do they do? Do you know what the difference is? What the difference is?
Hmm.
What do they do and
Apa
what
kalau
are they
what
doing? Uh,
what are they doing? Apa
ya,
yang mereka kerjakan?
oke, betul. Yang sekarang mereka kerjakan, mereka tuh
Kalau
ngapain
what
sih
do
gitu?
they do?
Kalau what do they do?
Iya,
Hah?
iya.
Mm-mm.
Apa sih yang mereka kerjakan ini? Kayak begitu ya?
Kalau what are they doing kayak gitu, apa sih yang lagi mereka kerjakan? Kalau what do they do,
Iya.
mereka itu kerja apa sih gitu? Atau pekerjaan mereka itu apa?
Oh, mereka kerja pekerjaan apa? Oh,
What do they
what
do?
do they do?
So if somebody ask you, what do you do? Nah,
Oh,
jawabannya itu, oh, I'm a business owner or I
hmm,
run a restaurant. Nah, jawabannya
hmm,
seperti itu. Karena itu
hmm,
menanyakan pekerjaan.
pekerjaan.
Betul sekali. What do
What
you
they
do?
do.
What do they do?
What
Mereka
what
itu
do
apa?
they do?
Oh, they're doctors. Oh, they're teachers. Kayak gitu.
Hmm,
Kayak gitu ya. What do they do? Benar. Oke, next one. Number five. Nah, ini apa ini? Yang mereka makan.
what do they eat?
What do they eat? Betul. Eat pakai S atau tanpa S?
Sebenarnya jawaban aku pakai S.
Tapi
Kayaknya
tadi
enggak
salah
ya?
kan?
Iya.
Iya, jadi yang tanpa S yang benar ya, Miss Maya.
Kenapa ya tidak pakai S?
Karena subjeknya itu lebih dari satu, they. Nah, kalau subjeknya hanya satu, he, itu baru ada S-nya. What does he eat? Nah, kayak gitu.
Hmm,
Kayak gitu. Nah, ini coba ini satu ini. He kan. He itu dia laki-laki. How blah 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 to work. Mana yang benar?
how do he goes?
Kebalik.
Eh,
Yang ada S-nya
how
itu yang does-nya.
does ya? How does he
Iya, how
goes?
does he go?
He
Ah,
go. How
yes.
does he
How
go?
does he go?
Aduh, ini aku belum terlalu
Dia kerja
paham.
eh dia itu kerja naik apa gitu. How does he go? Itu untuk pertanyaan ya. Oke. Coba aja follow your instinct. Which one sounds the best? Itu aja yang yang mana yang paling terdengar masuk akal.
Nah, kalau
Coba
aku
ini.
tidak bisa seperti itu, harus paham.
Oke, oke. Coba
How do
yang
you
ini yang
go?
mana? How do you go? Benar. Nice one. Next one. Yang ini apa? What language? Dia ngomong bahasa apa ya? Gitu.
Does she speak?
Very good. Benar itu.
Kalau
Nice.
udah pakai S, does sudah nggak pakai S kan di
Ya,
belakang.
speak-nya jangan pakai S lagi. Betul. Sudah
Hmm.
ada di das-nya itu tadi. Nah, ini we sekarang. Kita ngapain nih?
What what does we do? Do
No,
we
we
does?
itu lebih dari satu. We itu
Oh,
lebih dari satu. Jadi tanpa S, yang benar yang mana?
do we do?
Do we
We
do, benar.
do we do?
What do we
What
do? Nah, kita
what
ngapain?
do we
Kita
do?
harus ngapain ini? What do we do? What do we do now?
What do
For
we
example.
do?
Nah, ini kalau I kan pasti satu ya. Jadi aku gimana taunya ini? Kayak
How do
gimana?
I know?
How do I know? Very good. Ya. How do I know?
Hmm,
Gimana aku bisa tahu? Oke, good. Ini untuk pertanyaan ya, Miss Maya. Coba sekarang do not sama does not. Ya, kita
aduh,
kelompokkan sekarang.
kayaknya kamu harus menjelaskan grammar dari
Oke,
pertama deh.
kalau do not itu berarti sama aturannya ya. Kalau do not itu orangnya lebih dari satu, misalnya ya. Coba saya ini. I will open ini dulu deh.
Iya,
Uh,
karena kayak
whiteboard.
aturannya yang
Ya, benar
present itu
whiteboard,
pakai yang
whiteboard.
mana?
Ada whiteboard nggak di sini? Wait, wait. Whiteboard. Oh, I'm looking for whiteboard. This one is the whiteboard. Okay, found it. Nah, coba kita ke whiteboard dulu ya, Miss Maya. Kita ingat-ingat dulu aturan grammarnya itu seperti apa. Oke, sudah terlihat ya whiteboardnya.
Ya,
This
udah.
is the whiteboard. Oke, jadi dalam bahasa Inggris, subject itu verb itu mengikuti subjek, Miss Maya, ya. Verb itu apa? Verb itu kata kerja ya.
Kata kerja ya.
Ya, sudah tahu kan kata kerja itu apa? Kata
Mm-mm.
kerja itu seperti makan, eat,
Ya,
sleep, pokoknya sesuatu yang kita kerjakan ya.
ya.
Something that we do. Itu ya, sesuatu yang kita kerjakan. Nah, dalam bahasa Inggris, subjek itu selalu mengikuti, sorry, verb itu selalu mengikuti subjek ya. Subjeknya itu misalnya singular, singular itu satu. Kalau subjeknya singular, verbnya itu pasti ada S-nya, oke? S atau ES. Kalau subjeknya ini satu. Kecuali I sama you, oke? Kalau I sama you, itu nggak mengikuti ini. Kalau subjeknya plural, kalau plural apa artinya?
Jamak lebih dari satu.
Betul, ya. Plural itu lebih dari satu ya. Plus, sorry, sama I atau you, ya. I atau you itu juga mengikuti aturan ini. Verbnya itu nggak usah pakai S atau ES. Base verb. Verb basic, ya. Verb zero. Kita, kita istilahnya itu verb zero, verb nol. Jadi nggak ada perubahan apapun. Jadi semisal I eat, you eat. Tapi kalau he jadi apa?
Das.
He eats, right?
He
He
eats. He
eats. Nah,
eats.
oke, sekarang kita pakai kata tidak. Kalau tidak bahasa Inggrisnya apa misalnya? Don't, kan? Ya,
Don't.
not, ya kan?
Ya.
Nah, betul. Do not, does not. Oke. Kalau do not atau don't itu mengikuti aturan ini, subjek plural atau kalau I sama you. Saya nggak makan. I don't eat, right? You don't eat. I don't
Hmm.
work. Saya pengangguran, for example. I don't work. Nah, saya
Itu kata sekarang toh.
ya yang sekarang. I
Hmm.
don't work. I don't eat. For example, I
Hmm.
don't eat
Hmm.
pork. Saya nggak makan babi. For example, I don't eat
Hmm.
pork. Saya tidak merokok. I don't smoke. Ya kan? You don't smoke. Kamu tidak merokok. Nah,
Hmm.
akan berubah kalau subjeknya itu satu, tapi kata ketiga. He, she, it. Misalnya, dia tidak merokok. Apa bahasa Inggrisnya berarti? He don't eat atau he
He
don't smoke
don't.
atau he doesn't smoke.
He don't.
Enggak,
He
kalau
doesn't.
he
He
doesn't
doesn't
kan
smoke.
aturannya di atas ini.
Iya.
Aturannya yang pertama kan ada S-nya. Nah, kalau sudah
He.
ada do not atau does not ya,
Mm-mm.
diperhatikan ya Miss Maya. Kalau sudah pakai does not, verbnya itu nggak usah ditambahin
Nggak
S
usah
lagi.
pakai S ya.
Jadi he doesn't smoke. Nggak usah he doesn't smokes. Itu sama malah salah
Hmm.
ya. Kalau yang pakai I gimana? Ya sama aja. I don't smoke. You don't smoke. Saya nggak merokok. I don't smoke. Dia tidak merokok. She doesn't smoke. Itu aja. Oke? Bisa dipahami
Hmm.
ya? Oke,
Bisa,
sekarang
bisa.
coba langsung dipraktekkan ya.
Hmm.
Sebelum lupa. Coba kita ke sini. Ke screen saya lagi. Coba silakan dikelompokkan. Please match them with the correct negative verb. Doesn't and do not. Coba kita satu-satu di sini ya. Ini, Ali fly his kite on Saturdays. Yang pertama ini. Doesn't or do not? Ali.
Ali
Mm-mm. Blank, 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 fly his kite on Saturdays.
is wait. Oh,
Ali
oh,
doesn't or
Ali.
Ali don't? Yeah,
Ali doesn't.
very good. Oke, karena Ali itu satu orang. Coba
Satu
kalau
orang.
people don't swim or people doesn't swim in winter.
People.
People itu lebih dari satu ya kan, orang-orang.
Iya. Oh,
Hmm,
doesn't dong.
no. Kalau lebih dari satu apa tadi?
Lebih dari satu. Oh iya ya.
People
People don't.
don't swim. Oke, coba tanpa bantuan saya sekarang ya. My
Ya.
friends.
My friend don't go.
Good. My mom.
My mom doesn't.
Very good. Does not cook or doesn't cook. Grandpa. Grandfather.
Doesn't. Does not.
Grandpa doesn't watch TV every day. Okay, now the girls.
The girls berarti the
The
girls
girl.
don't
Mm-mm.
sing.
Okay, nice. Very good.
The boys don't.
Yeah, the boys don't run. We
We don't go
we
to
don't
bed.
go to bed at 11 o'clock. Go to bed itu maksudnya tidur ya, Miss Maya.
Hmm.
Mhm. Go to bed. Jadi bukan pergi ke kasur sebenarnya, tapi tidur. We don't go to bed. Farida,
Doesn't.
yes. Dad,
Doesn't.
okay, let's check the answers. Nah, benar semua ya. Bagus. Jadi diingat-ingat, Miss Maya.
Itu
Do
yang
not, does
present
not.
ya.
Mhm.
Doesn't.
Do not
Does.
and does not. Doesn't itu singkatan ya dari
Dari
does
does
not.
not. Oke.
Karena kalau orang bule itu kalau ngomong suka disingkat-singkat. Jadi doesn't. He doesn't. Tapi
Hmm.
kepanjangannya he does not. Itu. Coba kita peragakan yang lain ya,
Coba
Miss
yang
Maya.
tadi dong, yang tadi aku mau yang ditulis tadi di
Oh ya, bentar-bentar.
board. Ya ya, di
Board ya. Mm-mm. Whiteboard.
whiteboard.
Ini boleh mau dicatat mungkin. Wait. Nah, ini
Wait, wait, what happened this? Oke,
simple kok.
iya,
Yeah, it's not
iya,
that
iya.
complicated. Mm-mm.
Wait, nanti mau catat sebentar.
Ya, oke.
Present ya, present, present, present tense ya.
Yes, this one is present tense.
Kata kerja, apa tadi? Kata kerja mengikuti, apa
Kata
mengikuti
kerja
kata kerja?
mengikuti subjek.
Mengikuti
Ya,
subjek.
mengikuti subjek ya. Kalau kata kerjanya, kalau subjeknya itu singular, berarti verbnya pakai s atau es. Kalau
Subjeknya
kata kerjanya
singular,
plural, tidak mengikuti, tidak memakai es.
subjek singular pakai es, pakai es, trap es.
Yeah, that's right.
Subjek
If the subject is plural, then you don't
plural
need s or es at the end, ya.
tanpa
We, mm-mm.
tanpa s or es.
Yes, so
Ini
recall the,
regular berarti yang he, she, it ya.
yes, correct. Kalau yang
Ini
plural, singular itu he, she, it. Yang plural sama I, you berarti ya I, you, we, they. Dan kalau orangnya lebih dari satu ya kayak tadi apa?
satu.
People, the girls, the boys, they are plural. Or Miss Maya and me, Miss Maya and her son itu juga plural. Lebih dari dua orang, ya lebih dari satu orang yang disebutkan ya.
Oke.
Oke. We call that concept subject verb agreement, Miss Maya ya. Konsepnya itu namanya subject verb agreement. Jadi maksudnya itu subjek sama verb dalam bahasa Inggris itu mereka harus agree gitu.
Hmm.
Kalau singular berarti verbnya ya mengikuti singular SAS. Kalau singular subjeknya plural berarti ya verbnya harusnya tidak pakai SAS. Jadi itu
Hmm.
harus mereka harus setuju dengan satu sama lain ibaratnya. Makanya namanya subject verb agreement.
Hmm.
Konsepnya namanya subject verb agreement. Oke, coba
Oke.
kita pelatihan lagi ya, Miss Maya. Masih ada waktu, Miss Maya.
Oke.
We still have time untuk berlatih ya. Nanti pertemuan selanjutnya past tense, oke? Pertemuan
Oke.
ini kita present tense dulu.
Present. Hmm.
Ini gampang ini. Coba kita apa review-review yang gampang-gampang dulu. Oke, ini yang benar yang mana?
He live.
Lives. Live or lives.
Lives.
Very good. Yeah. The pronunciation is also have to be correct too. Okay. Lives.
Lives.
Pronunciationnya yang benar juga. Lives. Okay. What about this one? I
I live.
I live in Yorkshire. Okay. Yorkshire is a city
Yorkshire.
in the northern UK, I think. Daerah
UK.
utara
Oh,
ya. Daerah utara Yorkshire.
Yorkshire.
Yorkshire. Bacanya Yorkshire itu. Yorkshire.
Yorkshire.
Yes.
She likes coffee and biscuit.
Biscuits. Ini bacanya
Biscuits.
biscuits. Nah, betul.
Biscuits.
Iya, U-nya nggak usah dibaca. Biscuits.
Biscuits. Oh,
Coffee and biscuits.
biscuits.
Hmm. Kalau orang UK ngomongnya biscuits, kalau orang Amerika mereka bilangnya cookies.
Biscuit.
Beda.
We like Liverpool.
We like Liverpool. Ya, Liverpool. Klub bola ya, Liverpool. Nether.
Place.
Betul sekali, karena satu orang ya.
Hmm.
Nadia.
Drinks.
Very good. Ini apa? Goes to the cinema. Mana subjek yang paling benar untuk
He.
mengisi kali? Benar. He goes to the cinema. Nomor 8.
They.
Benar. Very good.
Ali. Ali likes pasta.
Nice one.
Muhammad.
Comes from Syria. Nice one.
My cat.
My cat. Only one cat. Very good. Likes fish. Next one.
My dogs.
My dogs. Okay. Nice, Ismaya. This is very simple, basic stuff. So moving on with the class later on, I hope that you don't have problem with this basic
Yes.
stuff anymore, yeah,
I
because
hope so.
this is very basic. In the coming classes, I hope you already master this
Yeah.
basic skill, okay, in grammar.
Okay.
Okay, let's do a more difficult task now. I have some cards here, speaking cards, okay, and you have to turn them into a meaningful sentence or a meaningful question, okay? Okay, let me shuffle this. All right, what kind of music you like? How do you form a sentence?
What kind of music
You like. Itu
you like?
kurang lengkap. Apa yang menjadi pelengkap, Miss Maya? What kind of music you like? Form a sentence from that. Form a question.
I think what
Kind of music.
music?
Kalau pertanyaan pasti ada apa? Do sama does kan ya? Jadi,
What kind of music does you like?
you, subjeknya you.
Sorry, do you like?
Very good. Okay. What kind of music do you like? Okay. Kartu lagi. Apakah kamu apakah kamu melakukan olahraga?
Do you do sport?
Betul, ya, betul sekali. Do you do sport? Kalau apakah kamu suka olahraga?
Do you
Gimana?
like sport?
Do you like sport? Very good. Lengkapi nih kalimatnya. Form a question.
Does your friend play computer games?
Very good,
no.
Miss Maya.
Ya?
Benar, ya. Nice. Nah, ini sekarang gampang. Di mana kamu tinggal?
Where do you live?
Nice one. Next one.
Your friend do like reading?
No.
No. Your friend
Tadi benar tadi. Bla 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 your friend like reading. Tapi your friend kan satu. Berarti
Oh yeah. Does
your friend. Mm-mm.
does like reading?
Oke, does your friend like reading?
Does your friend like reading ya?
Nice. Ingat kalau pertanyaan do selalu di
Dusnya
depannya
di
subjek.
depan.
Ya,
Does your friend play the piano?
Nice.
Do you play the guitar? Salah.
Do you play the
Do
guitar?
you
Ya.
play the
Mm-mm.
guitar?
Karena ada play sudah ya.
Iya.
Jadi nggak usah pakai do lagi. Very good.
Do you
Next card.
play the guitar?
Seberapa sering?
Do
How
how
often?
often you
How
go
often
to
dulu? How often dulu baru do.
how often do you go to shopping center?
Very good. Ya, kalau ada
How
gininya
often?
pasti ini di depan
Oh,
ya. How often do you go to the shopping center? Seperti
how
itu.
often
Nah, ini apa? Gampang.
do you like reading?
Nice one. Next.
Do your friend do sport?
Yes. Wait, there's a plane. Okay. Does your friend do sport? Nice.
Oh, your
Does
friend
your
satu
friend?
ya.
Iya,
Does
your
your
friend.
friend?
Jangan terkecoh dengan you-nya. Karena
Iya.
friend kan yang di subjeknya itu friendnya.
Kalau friend berarti apa? Plural ya?
Friends plural ya. Kalau lebih dari satu friends.
Oh, berarti itu satu ya, das
Tadi
ya.
satu friend. Does. Kali ini terakhir jam
What
berapa
time
tidur?
do
What
you
time?
go to bed?
Very good, Miss Maya. Yes. What time do you go to bed? Nice one. Oke, jadi itu untuk pertemuan kali ini. For this
Ah,
meeting, we learn about communication and then we learn
ya.
5 words. Do you still remember the 5 words we learned today? Introvert,
Introvert, extrovert, in
talkative,
talkative,
communicative,
so communicative
apa?
and apa ya satu?
Tidak tidak memperhatikan apa betulnya?
Apa?
Inatten,
Inattention,
inatten, inattentive. Nah,
inattentive.
terus juga kita tadi belajar kalau mau apa? Kalau mau bilang bisa, kita bisa tahu is not we can know, tapi apa? We are,
Hmm?
kita bisa tahu kan we can know. You said we can know. That's wrong. We are able to know.
Oh,
Ya,
we are
kita belajar itu
able.
juga ya. Jadi
Ya. We are
diingat-ingat ya.
able.
Kalau kita bisa tahu tentang ini, in English you cannot say we can know. Ya,
We
you
can
say
able to
we
know.
are able to know.
We
Itu
are
caranya.
able to know. We
And
are
then we
able.
also reviewed present tense.
Present
Uh,
tense.
Present tense. Now, if the subject is singular, what happened to the verb, Miss Maya?
Singular.
If the subject is
What?
I, for example. Oh no, if the subject is he, for example, the verb is
The verb is
we should
with s and or es.
res. Very good. Okay. If the subject is you, the subject is I, we, they, then what happened to the verb?
The verb is stay.
Stay the same, yes,
Stay the
without
same.
any addition. Yeah,
Yeah.
without any additional letter. You don't have to add anything, just let it be.
Yeah.
I eat, you eat, we eat, they go, they do. Okay. And then if we want to express tidak in English, we use what? Don't
Don't.
and doesn't, right? Does
Doesn't
not
ya.
and do not. Yeah.
Yeah. Do
And
not.
then kalau kita mau bertanya, do sama does selalu di
Depan.
depan. Very good. Okay. Itu present tense ya, Miss Maya. And I just want to remind you untuk present tense itu bukan untuk menyatakan sesuatu yang sedang terjadi ya. Bukan. Itu continuous, ya kan? Kalau simple present tense atau present simple itu menyatakan sesuatu yang
Sedang
benar
berlangsung.
sekarang, yang sedang berlangsung. Jadi bukan yang sedang terjadi sekarang, enggak. Tapi yang berlangsung yang saat ini benar. Misalnya, I work as a teacher, for example, or I teach. Ya,
Itu simple present tense.
Simple present tense. Ya,
Itu
menyatakan sesuatu yang benar saat ini. Fakta.
yang benar, tapi
Mm-mm.
bukan yang berlangsung.
Bukan yang berlangsung. Kalau yang berlangsung itu continuous. Jadinya kayak
Continuous.
I
Oh.
am eating. I am having lunch. Nah, itu berarti saat ini saya sedang makan gitu.
Hmm.
Kalau
Mhm.
I eat itu bukan saya lagi makan. Kalau I eat itu berarti oh iya saya
Saya
makan.
makan.
Kalau misalnya saya tidak, oh saya nggak makan babi, for example. Then you say I don't eat pork. It
Eat
means you
pork.
don't eat pork,
Hmm.
right?
Itu
Kalau
simple
I'm
present tense.
present tense, tapi kalau continuous itu berarti
Continuous
saat
itu yang
ini.
berlangsung.
Iya, so
Oh.
right now I'm not eating pork because right now I'm teaching. I'm not eating. Nah, itu ya. Mungkin next time we can review again, ya,
Review
present
ya,
continuous.
ya.
Setelah itu baru kita ke past, ya, the past
Ya.
tense, membicarakan masa lalu. Oke, I guess
Simple
that's it.
present, sorry. Simple
Mm-mm.
present
Mm-mm.
tense
Mungkin hari Senin kita continuous saja, ya.
yang
I'm
terjadi.
eating, you are, we are, they are, he is, she is. We'll talk about that. Okay, any question, Miss Maya, before I close the Zoom
Wait.
call? Mm-mm.
Simple present continuous ya.
Ya, nggak pakai simple, Miss Maya. Just present continuous.
Oh, present continuous.
Mm-mm.
Present continuous
Berlangsung.
sedang berlangsung.
Ongoing, ya, ongoing. Itu nanti untuk hari Senin, okay? That is
Oke.
our discussion on Monday, on our second
Oke.
meeting. Okay? So let's call it a day. Thank you
Mhm.
for coming, Miss Maya. I will
Thank
upload this
you.
video on your Google Classroom. Okay? See you on
Oke.
Monday,
See
the
you.
same
Thank you,
time as today.
Dias.
Goodbye. Have a great night.
Bye.
Thank you.